Welcome to Whale Cloud presentation of our latest delivery strategy for the digital transformation in the post-pandemic era. We call it leapfrogging, aiming to help telcos plan and implement digital transformation to provide a reliable path and speed up digital transformation journey together. We are now strategic partner of Alibaba and formerly known as a subsidiary of ZTE Corporation. Thus, we are the only software service vendor that owns both internet background and rich industrial experience. We are also one of the few among the industry that masters the art of both Chinese digital innovation and internationally delivering successful digital transformation. We are now serving over 150 industrial clients in 82 countries and regions, as you can see some of them in the right part. We have been focusing on digital transformation for decades. We are trying to be the global leader in digital transformation by integrating our native internet technologies and industrial know-how, building a digital platform and providing digital delivery services. In the past 10 years, the economic and social development, together with technologies, have become key driving forces that are continuously changing our world from different angles. We are entering an era dominated by internet platforms without any doubt. We are committed to studying the internal mechanism of these driving forces, including bilateral markets, network effects, channel design, customer behavior patterns, and how to use these drivers to enable the digital transformation of traditional industries or even to disrupt the status quo. Different from the delivery of traditional IT projects, the delivery of digital transformation projects pays more attention to new business models brought by new technologies, as well as new players, new multilateral relations, and new business processes and rules. Firstly, mobile first and digital commerce. The sales model of digital service providers is quite different from traditional ones. With the expansion of digital services to different vertical markets, digital players will contact end users through more direct channels. Secondly, ecosystem model and socialized operation. With the new economic model, the traditional unilateral and upstream-downstream relationship of linear value chain model between operators and suppliers has become a multilateral relationship of prosumer platform model. Thirdly, cloud first and data intelligence driven. Cloud allows your systems to be deployed in a rapid, agile, and elastic manner around the world, while big data algorithms make resource scheduling and product access faster and more accurate. All these bring new challenges to the traditional delivery model. For example, setting clear transformation goals are complicated. The transformation goals and paths vary as telcos are not at the same level, due to differences in economy, infrastructure, network penetration, competitive environment, development maturity, and value proposition. Transformation is not to solve the company's existing problems, but to fundamentally change the way enterprises think and act to survive in the digital jungle. Digital transformation is a journey of exploration, while project delivery must have a clear scope and boundaries. This brings challenges to telcos and software service providers. Finding certainty from uncertainty is the difficulty and focus of digital transformation project delivery. To cope with these difficulties and challenges, we need to reshape the concept, method, organization, and technology of IT delivery, and rebuild the digital transformation delivery framework, DTDF, with scaled agile and lean idea, including organizational structure, delivery models, and new delivery technologies. SAFe and DevOps are widely recognized knowledge systems based on lean agile principles and values in the field of software engineering in recent years, which provide solutions for synchronous alignment, collaboration, and delivery of multiple agile teams in large-scale software projects. It significantly improves business agility by accelerating productivity, shortening software release time, and improving quality. Whale Cloud DTDF combines the mature theoretical system of SAFe and DevOps to provide customers with faster and efficient delivery solutions. Whale Cloud DTDF defines roles, teams, activities, and workpieces that apply lean and agile principles within the enterprise and provides excellent processes, tools, and technologies to increase the chances of success of digital transformation projects. A comprehensive delivery project can be divided into 3 stages: discovery and innovation, streaming, and measurement. The first stage is about to define transformation goals, which is the process of designing a future-ready customer journey, channel journey, and partner journey by using the rich digital assets of Whale Cloud and combining the characteristics of telcos in their countries or regions. The second stage is a process of refinement. The SAFE requirement model demonstrates a way to express system behaviors from epics, capabilities, features to stories. Whale Cloud takes the SAFE requirements model as a reference and uses the method of business value stream analysis in a top-down approach to disassemble complete journeys into the system modules in combination with telcos' business packages and business rules, and finally form features and UI prototype of the software system, which is convenient for the R&D team in solution designing and coding. In the third stage, according to the principle of taking the end as the beginning, and based on the first 2 stages, there should be a comprehensive evaluation of whether the to-be system can meet the transformation goals defined in the previous stage. We use the bottom-up principle to restore our business. With requirements as the standard, we complete the feature testing of the modules first, and come out with corresponding cross-business and cross-module E2E scenarios and integrate them into a complete journey. And finally complete the executable and testable business in an end-to-end view. As a new player in the Philippine market, DITO wants to win the competition with the emerging operation model from internet players. Based on DITO's marketing strategy and years of digital transformation experience from Whale Cloud in the international market, we started the transformation from the customer journey and helped DITO set clear digital transformation goals within 4 months to accelerate the success of the projects. In a digital transformation project, the organizational structure and delivery model depend on the scale, time schedule, and characteristics of the deliverables. Scrum agility can be used for small-scale projects with a long delivery cycle, and 7 to 12 people are the best size for each scrum. When it exceeds 120 people, or the project is delivered by a project group composed of multiple solutions, the SAFE model will be adopted, and ART and DevOps will be introduced. The organizational structure among the R&D team, delivery team, and user team are not static in the delivery process of large-scale software projects, and the organizational model should be adjusted in time in the different stages of a project. At the early stage of a project, the R&D team may be more focused on the development of system functions and will not be disturbed at the back end. However, at the UAT stage, the R&D team, delivery team, and user team need to form an integrated agile unit to align goals and speed up iteration. The core idea of lean agile delivery concept is to maximize customer value and minimize waste. Therefore, the goal alignment and coordination between ARTs and even Scrums are the key points of project management. Especially under the pandemic situation, offshore delivery and remote delivery are generally adopted. So how to align the goals and rhythms among different teams, in different places and across time zones is a test for PMO teams. KanBan is an agile methodology to align goals. In a digital transformation project, the delivery perspective is usually the customer's business perspective, while the R&D perspective is usually the functional perspective of software systems. From requirements to the release of final deliverables, it is necessary to constantly carry out the perspective conversion, term alignment, target decomposition, and integration. Whale Cloud's cloud delivery platform eDO and R&D platform ZMP provide the capability of seamless joint, transformation, JIT, and target alignment. eDO is short for Easy to It, which is an online digital delivery platform developed by Whale Cloud in match with DTDF. It provides end-to-end project lifecycle management from requirement management, KanBan orchestration, data configuration, UAT process, migration and reconciliation to operation and maintenance in SaaS multi-tenant model. With a public cloud deployment, eDO implements multi-tenant management for different customers and delivery teams. achieving data isolation, zero deployment, and zero maintenance, providing uninterrupted digital delivery services for telcos around the globe. In a large-scale software delivery project, separation of three repositories and separation of concerns, SOC, must be considered. The three repositories are development repository, testing repository, and release repository. The SOC refers to research and develop on rhythm, release on demand. In this way, different teams in different time zones can work at their own pace, without waiting for each other, and at the same time, they can cooperate with each other and achieve their goals under the unified control of large projects. The automated continuous delivery pipeline is the core component of DTDF operation. The ZCM DevOps platform developed by Whale Cloud effectively supports the automatic transmission and conversion of software code from R&D cloud to delivery cloud. ZCM DevOps continuous delivery pipeline covers the end-to-end process, realizing the closed-loop support of the whole value stream, in addition to building an efficient feedback loop to realize the automatic flow of software codes, scripts and configuration files from the development repository to the release repository. It can also carry out compilation, code check, security testing and behavior testing in an automatic manner through CI/CD, and build a set of quality assurance system, which effectively supports the realization of the goal of research and develop on rhythm and release on demand. ZCM DevOps platform guarantees the lean and agile delivery of large-scale software projects in the technology angle, while eDO, ZMP platform the management angle. Why should we shine a light on delivery technologies, especially the delivery platform supported by Internet technologies, microservices, cloud native, big data, artificial intelligence, 5G, etc.? All these new technologies will bring complexity to software systems. And a sudden COVID-19 outbreak in 2020 changed our delivery methods. We can't adopt on-site delivery as easily as in the past, and we can only deliver it remotely or even offshore. Then, using technology to manage technology, and using new technologies to solve problems brought by other new technologies, are our solutions. One-click deployment solves the problem of remote deployment of large and complex software systems. It takes only 8 hours from infrastructure as a service, platform as a service to software as a service to complete the rapid deployment from planning to system in use, which greatly reduces the deployment difficulty. One-click deployment refers to the one-click ability in the operating system, database, middleware, application software, etc., and it can be implemented in a streamlined and automated way, with the least number of people in operations. Traditional upgrade is manual, which is not only time-consuming and error-prone, but also has to be operated at night with low volume of business in order not to interrupt the business. The one-click upgrade from DTDF delivery framework provided by Whale Cloud has completely solved the above problems. With one-click upgrade and graceful restart, stop, the version can be correctly updated to the relevant environment quickly, and the manual error and upgrade time can be reduced. At the same time, there is almost no impact on the business, and even the upgrade operation can be carried out during the day. The cloud-native and microservice architecture has exponentially increased the complexity of the system. The more complex the system is, the more difficult it is to solve problems such as system failure or performance bottleneck. The distributed tracing provided by DTDF can not only automatically capture and analyze the RPC call relationship, time consumption and parameters among different components, but also track the local method calls within the components through customized methods, and support number tracking for a specific service. Through the call chain, the problem of remote operation and maintenance in the pandemic situation can be solved. Whale Cloud DTDF provides rich remote operation and maintenance toolkit, including operation and maintenance process orchestration, rule definition, scheduler job, abnormal alarm, and other functions. A sudden pandemic in 2020 disrupted the original delivery model in the telecom industry. In order to ensure the normal operation of our customer's production system and fulfill the scheduled delivery of the projects, we have to adopt remote operation and maintenance and remote delivery. With this approach, we have successfully delivered many projects including DITO in Philippines, WOM in Chile, SilkNet in Georgia, Mountain in Rwanda and PTC in Colombia. As the pandemic might form a new normal, remote delivery has become the delivery standard of international digital transformation projects. Security issues are imperative for remote delivery. Whale Cloud DTDF provides remote delivery technology based on a safe house that includes high-precision electronic security doors, retina authentication, access control authentication and security detection. By combining advanced physical and technical access control, the monitoring is taken at 360 degrees in the operation area, and the environmental information in the safe house is recorded throughout the whole process. The Whale Shield Security Center, screen recording tools, cloud desktop, etc., are deployed to control telcos' authority and ensure identity recognition, authentication and physical security. With the safe house, all operations on the project site are connected and managed to ensure the information security and compliance in the remote environment. The pandemic has disrupted the original operation of the world. Some say that the epidemic has set back the process of globalization for 20 years, while accelerated the process of digitalization for 5 years. This digitalization includes not only the digitalization of telcos business, but also the digitalization of the delivery service. Technologies are now moving faster, and the concept of delivery and services are advancing compared with 20 years ago. The epidemic situation prevented us from meeting our clients face-to-face in the office, but in fact, we always meet our clients digitally online, which actually saves the travel time yet increases the time we work together with customers. Our experts can serve more customers in different parts of the world in one day. Make efficiency happen with remote and digital delivery.